Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today I am standing in front of one of my personal beauties. This is a 1968 Camaro 396, numbers matching, 4-speed numbers matching, drop dead gorgeous Camaro, guys. Restored. Come on up, we're going to take a look at this bathing beauty. Under the hood is the numbers matching 396 3¼ horse motor, completely rebuilt. Exhaust manifolds are completely stock, correct ones. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Just a drop dead gorgeous car. All new wiring in the car. Record radiator. Guys, this car, if you're looking for a 68 Camaro SS 396 4-speed numbers matching, look no further. Stop right now and call me 248-974-9513. This solid all metal car will not last. Check out this beautiful blue paint on this car. You can see through it for miles. Chrome, beautiful. Straight as an arrow. Straight as a gun barrel. I just heard that one. I like that. Get online, check out the photos of underneath the car, all the number stamps. It's unbelievable, guys. This is the cleanest Camaro I've seen in a long time. It's sitting on painted body color wheels with the COPO caps, Redline tires, and let me just tell you, it is absolute jaw-dropping. Let me pop open the trunk and show you what's inside. Let's check out the trunk. In the trunk, we got the jack instructions, complete spare setup, and unbelievable solid trunk. Guys, this car was professionally restored, and it is just awesome. We're going to drop the trunk, take a look at the passenger side. As the driver's side, it is completely straight as a gun barrel. And the paint glistens absolutely beautifully. Sitting on brand new tires. Look at these doors open. Wow, that's cool. Shuts better than my Ford truck that I used to have. Check out the interior in here, guys. Everything's completely restored inside. You got the Tic Toc Clock, gauges in the console, speedo. You got the wood steering wheel. I mean, this thing is just phenomenal. New headliner, new back seat. Everything is redone, guys. Stop now, call Tom, because this thing is not going to last. 248-974-9513. It's the most beautiful Camaro I've seen in a long time. a little ride. One-handed, power steering, power disc brakes. What a phenomenal car this is, guys. And it's got so much power. It is just awesome. Even the horns work. I mean, come on. This is something to get excited about if you own a classic car. Everything doesn't always work in a classic car. It's kind of like an old person. Everything doesn't always work on them. You know what I'm saying? This thing just shifts and drives awesome. Don't forget to call Tom, because this car will not last. Call me today at 248-974-9513. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Don't forget, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. And also, see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. How do you do that, you ask me? Go to our webpage, sign up for YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, and become a fan, and you'll see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And once again, if we don't have what you're looking for, be the first to know about it before we offer it to the public by signing up for our auto locator, and that can be found at our homepage as well at VanguardMotorsales.com. Thanks again for joining us today, and we appreciate you watching our video. Call Tom today so we can put your dream in your driveway. 248-974-9513.